Well, actually, I feel an indescribable feeling of joy and fulfillment right now because this moment matters to me very much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Now it's time to get her George. And your question will be coming from Mr. Martin.
Hi, Roslyn. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I'll read the question in English and Tagalog. If you could promote one social cause through your title, what would it be and how would you raise awareness? In Tagalog, kung maaari mong i-promote ang isang panlipunang layunin sa pamamagitan ng iyong titulo, ano ito at paano mo itataas ang kamalayan?
As I stand here today, I believe that I will promote the community service because my advocacy is about volunteerism. So I really want to send message to everyone, especially to our leaders, to our stakeholders, to always demand accountability because I cannot do it alone. I really need someone to help me. The 1987 preamble says that we, the sovereign Filipino people, and this reminds me that the power to shape our nation stands in our own hands. So I believe that we should always help hand in hand so no one will left behind in the rising of our nation.